When I was 11 years old, I wanted to make money and I wanted a job. And at 11 years old, you really can't get a job. And so my mom at the time was actually a real estate agent, and she was an office manager for Century 21. And so she said, you know what? And I was asked, Mom, what can I do? I want to make money. I want to make money, And I grew up in Tolleson, over by Tolleson. Everyone knows where Tolleson is in Arizona. Went to Tolleson Elementary. We didn't have a lot of money, so I wanted to make money. As this little kid, I was like, I want to make money. I want to just do better. And it was always ingrained in me. I just do better, do better. And so my mom said, come to the office and you can start cleaning ashtrays. And in the 1980s, I'm in my 50s, so in the 1980s, people smoked in real estate offices. How many of you are like, who's old enough to experience that? Okay, sorry for raising your hand, but I'd go into this office and it always stunk like cigarettes. And there's these ashtrays, and my mom just said, just empty the ashtrays into a garbage can, and that's it. And she'd pay me a few bucks for it. And I loved it. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to do something better. The first time I emptied the ashtrays in the garbage can, it was done in a few minutes, did all the desks. It's a pretty big office. And I was like, I'm going to go above and beyond. I want to stand out. When people come to the office the next day, because I do this at night. She'd work at night, come in the office, I'd empty them all. I'm like, I just want to do better. What can I do to make these ashtrays look better? So what do you think I did? I literally washed them every night. I cleaned them. I literally made them look like that right there. I made them look like a candy dish, and it made a difference.